Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the net framework error code message 0x800f081f on your Windows launch computer guys. Let's fix that problem guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, command prompt open up. Click run as administrator over here and select yes. Now in this command window you just need to copy my video description for this command guys. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification base of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Wait for it. After finishing this 100% verification complete guys, go and copy the next command in my video description. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. This verification also need to get 100% complete guys. Wait for it to complete it. After finishing this, go ahead and restore your computer. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.